cook for you tonight?
I guess.
This is what I always cook in. What do you mean?
No, it's Cooking with Katie. It's a fancy
Hey,
Cooking
man.
with Katie.
Today we're going to be making a Monte Cristo. Before I get started.
Hold on a sec. Wow, that was a really athletic jump.
I laid out my thing.
Sorry.
Really? I can't work like this. So I'm going to crack some eggs. Well, I have pre-made 3 pieces of French toast, and I have some pre-made bacon, which I'll show you how to heat it up on the griddle. We're going to do a brie apple bacon. Stop doing that. Whisk it good.
What?
You could do a little bit of almond extract as a secret ingredient. Some people use just a little splash of vanilla. I like to put a little nutmeg and cinnamon in my French toast. Why? I don't know, it just tastes good.
Happy accident, by the way. Explain how you ended up with the almond.
So I was making French toast for the kids and I accidentally grabbed the wrong one. I mean, I believe that's how a lot of amazing things happen in this world. By accident. Now I've preheated our griddle. I don't know how hot it is. I generally just guess and hope for the best. But I got some bacon I'm gonna heat up. So this was already got cooked in the oven. So I'm just gonna warm it up in the griddle. Here's some apple. Now, we're gonna use like a smaller slice of apple because who wants this jammed in between 2? Wow. So I guess I'm gonna take these off for a minute.
Too bad you don't.
I need my thingy. Thanks, dude. I just wanna move these around a bit.
How many slices of apple do you know I put on there?
I've never made it before.
How many slices do you feel like you should put in there?
Can you not eat the food when I'm trying to cook
looking at
it?
the ham.
Jesus. So a Monte Cristo traditionally does not have all this stuff on it. We're making it different. Remember when I told you needed to eat softer food? Ooh, sorry, squirrel. It was lightning or something outside.
That's okay. I had like, Katie, I think I pretty much had like this part. Like I don't have your face, and I don't have you cutting the cheese. So literally just like right here.
Because you're eating?
No, I'm not paying attention.
Why?
Cause I'm a poor cameraman.
You're fired. Do you want any other meats on it?
No.
Would you like ham or turkey or Swiss cheese on it as well?
No, we're just gonna go brie, apple, and bacon.
Okay, thank you, sir.
All right, here's Grady.
So we're gonna put some bacon on here because you know what I say?
Bacon.
Hold on. All right, it's full.
I'm like in those.
Papa, can you hear me?
I'm like in those movies where someone gets focused on something and where they're like pouring something and then it like overflows.
Yeah, cool story, bro. I'm filming.
Holy smokes, you are really putting 102 pieces of apple on there.
Good thing you had a huge mouth. I love you, Grady.
So I got a question. Oh,
Nope.
okay. Katie's keeping it real. I was like, how is this gonna get?
You gotta have that powdered sugar. I got a jumper.
And that dude did not want to be in my sandwich at all.
Neither does that piece of brie there. Hello, I'm on the camera.
Yes.
Pay attention to me.
Yes, because you belong in front of the camera.
Should I make a triple decker?
How you feeling?
Be a big girl. So traditionally, a Monte Cristo has ham, turkey, some Swiss cheese. I have a little Colby Jack as well, just to make it a little fancy. Do you think I should do 2 pieces of Swissy? No, I'm just gonna like one of each. I mean, this is gonna be kind of hard to eat. There's no like glue. Alright, yours is done. So I bought some raspberry preserve.
Oh my God, is this the stuff? It looks pretty good. What do you make it on yours?
Putting bacon on mine. I've never had bacon on a Monte Cristo before, but I think it's gonna be great. Do you want me to film you eating
No.
it? Yep. You're the person I made it for.
It's good. It's really an amazing treat for 10 o'clock on a Friday.
Really tense.
You've outdone yourself, ma'am.
All right. I'm gonna make a little appetizer here for my Monte Cristo by taking some brie and just lightly putting it on my apple slice. You know what that's called? Brie and an apple slice. You know what else you're supposed to do at intermission? Drinking your wine.
Another.
With you.
Hey, can you go get another drink?
No, I'm busy on my show. This is why he can't do a good job. This is empty.
It's good though. Brought to you by
What is it, bio?
I
Are you doing
can't pronounce that.
Some
Get out of here.
product placement.
Brought to you by
Brie by Presidente. For all your Brie needs.
Unbelievable.
Okay. I feel like I need some more.
Why did you just unplug that guy?
Because I'm over it. You know how I am with cooking. Oh, crud. We got right into the bacon grease. I bet you that's going to add a little je ne sais quoi. Another French thing. It's ratatouille up in here.
What the fuck? What is that? Ratatouille. It's ratatouille up in here.
Isn't that in French?
Yes.
I just want to make sure.
I wasn't following where the hell that reference even came from.
Sorry, I'm just a lot more cerebral than you. I probably shouldn't have unplugged it so dramatically because I still have this egg I need to make. I like a little sriracha. Okay. This was a homemade from our trees out in the back. Okay, let's look at the inside there. Mmm.
You really gotta get in there and see it. But it keeps wanting to focus on your shirt. Oh.
That's good. I'm liking this a lot, guys. I'm gonna try your raspberry.
You're gonna love it.
I'm gonna dip it in there.
You're gonna love it.
Lord.
Told you. Jelly's where it's at, man. All right, well, why don't did you want to add anything more here?
Peace. I love you. Have some fun with your French toast sandwich. Make it fancy. Bye.